This is located at the rear of the train. Road. This train is for Newry. The next station will be Morganstown. Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Newry. The next station will be Morganstown. We will shortly be arriving at Morganstown. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Stepford Express, service to Newry. Calling at Benton and Newry. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
This is Morganstown. This train is for Newry. The next station will be Benton. Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Newry. The next station will be Benton.
Stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge. Platform 2 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
We will shortly be arriving at Benton. Change here for trains to Connolly, Hesterfield, Greenslade, St Helens Bridge, and Airport Terminal 2. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Platform 3 for the 1812 Stepford Express, service to Newry. Calling at Newry only. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
This is Benton. This train is for Newry. The next station will be Newry. Welcome on board this Stepford Express service to Newry. The next station will be Newry.
The train now approaching platform 2 does not stop here. Please stop. Stop here. Please stand by from the platform. Please stand back from the platform edge.
We will shortly be arriving at Newry. Change here for trains to Newry Harbour. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. All change, please. This is Newry. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.